Guys, today my mom's gonna make a Rava Khir. So alright, she takes some ghee of 2 spoons and just on the gas. Keep it on the low flame. Let the ghee settle down. When all the ghee will melt, just let it settle down. Add 1/4 kg of rava and mix it until it becomes goldenish. And then you're able to see this sort of texture. Now take out the milk packet from freezer and let it boil down on the high flame. If your milk takes a yellowish color, then it's totally normal as it's just removed from the fridge. My mom added jaggery, that is optional, you can just add sugar. Then after your milk is boiled and ice is melted, pour down the milk in the mixture of rava. Then just start mixing it all together. To make it smooth and light, let's add some hot water in the mixture and then just mix it all together again. If your mixture becomes thicker, just add more hot water in your mixture so it becomes lighter. Add half spoon of salt and just keep mixing it again. It's totally optional to add cashew or any sorts of dry fruits you want. Even adding some honey is optional. The tastiness of the kheer only depends on its sweetness. And again keep mixing it. And here it is, tasty and delicious Rava Khir. Serve it off and eat it with your family.